Alright guys, integration by partial fractions, day 2. And first step is we're going to factor. And then we're going to just pretend that this and that's not there, and that's a 1. And we're going to say a over x plus b over x plus 1. We're going to multiply through by our common denominator, which is x and x plus 1. So if we multiply x and x plus 1 here, these are going to cancel and we're going to be left with 1. If we multiply it here, the x's will cancel and we'll have a times x plus 1. The x plus 1's are going to cancel here, so it's going to be b and x. Okay? And if you don't see how I got that, just multiply everything on top by x and x plus 1 and do it yourself, and you should see that you get what I have here. Okay? So we're going to go ahead and distribute, and we're going to have ax plus 1a plus bx. And it's understood that I have a 0x out here, because there's no x there. I have 0 x's, so it's 0x. I'm going to combine the x's together in one equation, and I'm going to go ahead and drop my x's off. And then 1 equals a in the other equation. And now I have a system. Well, oh look, a's already solved for. I just fill it in here. Minus 1, and b is negative 1. So my new integral, I'm going to go back and pretend like I never erased that, is going to be, just going to go here, the integral of a over x, well a is 1 dx, plus the integral of b, well b is negative 1. You can't really tell that's a negative 1. Let's make that prettier. Negative 1 equals. Negative 1 over x plus 1, and that's dx. And now I simply integrate. Well, that's easy. That's just the natural log of the absolute value of x. And then this minus really comes out, minus the natural log of x plus 1. If you don't see that that's the natural log of x plus 1, use a u du. Let your u be x plus 1, and let your du just be dx. And it falls apart. And that is all for example 2.